Bengal cat mating call. Oh my god. Random vlog. Zoey vlog. Let's go find her. Zoey! Zoey! What's the matters? Turn the lights on. What's the matter, Zoey? Are you in heat, Zoey's? Poor Zoey. Oh.
Rosie.
Look at all these animals, guys. Oh. Zoey, what's the matters to her? What's the matters? You not feel wells? Poor girl, she's ready for a mate, guys. We're gonna do that one day, but not now. We gotta get our own better, bigger place and stuff like that. Yes, we'll breed her one day, though. You make beautiful babies. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show y'all that crazy call she was making. But there's more to come with her. I will holler at y'all later. Y'all keep it real out there. Say goodbye, Zoey. Say goodbye, Zoey. Say goodbye.